Assalamu alaikum. In human physiology and excretive products and elimination, we are at the stage to discuss the other waste products in addition to nitrogen wastes. In the excretion that takes place in the human beings also and all the animals, the products which are poisonous, the products which are useless, disadvantageous for the body, they are removed outside. But so far the concept of excretion is concerned, excretion deals mainly with the man excretory products, which are the nitrogen products, ammonia, urea, and uric acid. We have already discussed it in the previous lesson, in the previous lecture, how are the different waste products found in different animals. But so far the other waste products are concerned. For example, carbon dioxide is also one of the waste products. It is not the principal waste product, but it is the secondary waste product. It is formed in the cells during the process of respiration. Respiration is a separate process to excretion, but the product which is formed, that is also classified as an excretory product. It is useful in regulating respiration but becomes toxic in excess quantity. This carbon dioxide, if retained in the body, it becomes toxic. It is found in small animals also. It is sponges and coelentrates, flatworms and roundworms, earthworms, leeches. Carbon dioxide is lost by diffusion through the body surface. In higher animals, it is eliminated by special respiratory organs and is expelled in water, in crustaceans, in mollusks, in fishes, and some tailed amphibians, and is inspired higher as in insects, tailless amphibians, and all reptiles, birds, and mammals. So carbon dioxide is almost found in all the groups of animals, ranging from invertebrates to vertebrates, that is excreted through the respiratory processes. There are also some mineral salts which also act as excretory products and are harmful for the body. These mineral salts include the sodium, they include the potassium, they include the calcium, they include the magnesium also. They are present in the food in excess of the body's requirements and are excreted in urine, feces, and sweat. They are excreted through urine, they are excreted through feces, or they may be excreted through the sweat. Excess of the mineral salts. But so far the mineral salts are concerned, they are very important for regulating body physiology. But if they are in excess, they fall in the excretory products list. One more excretory product can be water. Water is important for life. But if there is excess water in the body, that is excreted through the kidneys in higher animals in the form of urine. There is a balance in the water in the human body and other animals. That balance is maintained with respect to the salts of the body. This maintenance of balance is called as osmoregulation. This osmoregulation is very important as it maintains the water balance in the body. Sometimes there are some pigments also. These pigments can also act as excretory products. These are taken with the food. For example, with beet, which contains pigments. Sometimes pigments are taken along with the drugs. The drugs contain some pigments, vitamin B complex, or they are formed in the body by breakdown of hemoglobin. In the body, whenever the hemoglobin is broken down by the phagocytic reaction, and they are excreted in the urine and feces. So the pigments sometimes also act as excretory products. There are still other excretory products, for example, vitamins and hormones. Vitamins and hormones. Sometimes they are also classified as excretory products if they are excess in quantity. These are regulatory substances. and are taken in minute quantities for the maintenance of body physiology. But if there are excess quantities of vitamins and hormones, they act as waste products and are excreted through the urine. But the spices comprise another category of waste products. These spices are taken in the onions, garlic, they contain spices, and other spices which contain the volatile components which leave the body through the lungs. The rest are removed by the kidneys. But so far the drugs are concerned, drugs are also classified sometimes as excretory products in addition to other waste products. These are eliminated by the kidneys. Drugs which are taken, whether in the natural form or in the artificial or synthetic form. The drugs or their breakdown products can be detected by chemical tests of the urine. Whenever the chemical tests of the urines are conducted, the drugs can be detected in the urine. So the drugs are also classified as waste products sometimes. But so far the defecation process is concerned. Defecation is the removal of undigested waste product, undigestible waste product. For example, cellulose and fibers. Cellulose fibers, these substances are put outside through the lower portion of the gastrointestinal tract, but that process cannot be similar to the excretion. Defecation and excretion are something different. Defecation is the removal of undigestible matter, and excretion is the removal of waste products. This is the difference between the defecation and excretion. So these are other waste products in addition to the nitrogenous products which I have already discussed: ammonia, urea, and uric acid. That's all for today.